Well, hi everyone. I am so excited to do the reveal of our May VIP box. Of course, this box is perfect for Mother's Day, for mom, for grandma, sisters, daughters, the other mothers that are so important in our lives. And so we're experimenting with something a little new. Denise is our camera woman today. And as always, these are, the real deal. So we're going to try something new. But I invite you to join us here while we unveil the May VIP box. So your box is going to arrive this month. It is a black box. It's very sharp. It says you're going to love what's inside from Adrians Boutique. And let's see what is in here. So we open it up. Whoops. It's got some fun leopard tissue paper. Our theme this month is Diva for a Day. And so we thought the leopard theme was just pretty cool. So we're going to open it up. Here we go. Oh, and I love what's inside when they open it up because I am a Ralph Waldo Emerson fan. And so we've chosen an item that says, write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. And this is from Demdeco, who does our Willow Tree Angels. And on the back, there's a little stand, so you can stand this on a desk. There's also a hole that you can hang this on a wall. So we'll take that out. That's our first item. Next, we have our La Ti Da, and this is a great company that we've worked with. We sell their teas and sometimes their coffees, and they created this one especially for us. It is a tea lemonade blend. You just add water. It's very refreshing, and again, just so pretty, so fun to open your box. We'll put that over there. Then our next item is our diamond pen. I don't know if you can see it very well, but what we just thought this was so fun. I mean, just pull it out of your box, use it. It came in gold, silver, black, and white, I think, so you'll get one of those colors. But again, just so fun to pull out when you're going to write a note. And then I love this nail polish. It is very glittery. It would just be so fun. I should have polished my nails in it. That would have been a really good idea. But super sparkly, fun to put on your toes for summer or on your fingernails. And again, just fun. It looks very diva-ish. So now we're going to go to the next layer. This box had several layers. We're going to get rid of that. Oh, yummy. So in this layer, we chose our turtle cheesecake. This is from our company, The Resident Chef. And The Resident Chef does wonderful dips and dessert mixes. And what could be more decadent or diva-ish than turtle cheesecake? And this, you just add a couple of ingredients. You can put it into a pie crust or into like a graham cracker crust. Or serve it as a dip, but so good. We know you're going to like that. Let's see, I'll scoot that over here. Then we also have a brownie brittle, because we always like to give you something that you can have immediate gratification. And so we've got our brownie brittle, and these are actually a lower calorie dessert, but still decadent, that dark, rich chocolate. Next, under here, we have an ID case that's in the leopard pattern. It has a key ring on it. You open it up, it's got a space for your credit cards, your ID, and again, it's just very cute, fun to have in your summer tote bag or your purse. So that's the next item. Then, this was a great find. This comes in several patterns, designs, but this one happens to say, "Hello, gorgeous." And it is a great mirror that you can keep in your purse or your tote bag. So we thought that was a really fun item. Let's see. Next, we have a cosmetic bag, and it is in the black with the metallic gold polka dots. Again, just such a great bag to put all of your things in. Great way to organize your purse. And we thought it looked very diva-ish, so you can use that. Next, we have our daily grind, and this is a bag of bath salts. It's a cranberry Cosmo scented bath salts, and we felt like it was very diva-ish because The company that makes it's called The Royal Standard, so it definitely fit our Diva theme. And then we're down to our last two items, and these are from Tyler Candle. The Glamorous Wash definitely makes you feel very diva-ish because it is a Diva scented laundry wash. And as I said, I don't think I'd do my husband's laundry in it, but it's certainly nice to pull your clothes out of the dryer and they just smell so, so good. The last item is our Tyler Candle in the Diva fragrance, and it smells fabulous. It has been their #1 fragrance for at least 10 years, so you know it's a good one. And that is our final item in the Diva box, and I think that people are just going to flip when they get this box. It makes a great gift for Mother's Day, but it also is a great treat for yourself. But as you know, if you're a subscriber, you get everything in this box for just $35, and that's on the subscription, so we have a minimum 3 months on our subscriptions. But if you want to buy it as a one-time purchase, you can do that. They're just $42. The value of this box is actually around $80. We advertise it that our boxes are always at least worth $60 or more. But we think this one's very special. So the way that you can order it is, of course, you can come by. We'd love to talk to you here in the store in downtown Buhler. But you can also order it online at shopadrians.com. Just click shop and then VIP boxes. You'll see it right there. If you're a subscriber, remember that you can buy additional boxes for the same low price of $35. If you need them shipped, we can ship anywhere in the United States for just $8. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love getting your VIP boxes, either in the mail or picking them up. We have so much fun curating the boxes and pulling it all together, and we think this one's a winner. So thank you. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the store, 620-543-6488. And Denise, thanks for doing a great job there as our videographer today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.